Early life and career. Arshad Nadeem was born on March 2, 1997, in Mandi Bahawalpur, Punjab. From a young age, he showed a passion for sports. He began training in javelin throw with local coaches. His talent quickly became evident in national competitions. Rise to prominence. Nadeem's breakthrough came at the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta. He won a gold medal with a throw of 80.75 meters. This was Pakistan's first athletics gold in over 40 years. His success elevated his profile in the sport significantly. Olympic achievement. At the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, held in 2021, Nadeem made history. He finished fifth in the javelin throw final. His throw of 84.62 meters was Pakistan's best Olympic athletics result. This performance brought him and his country significant recognition. Legacy and impact. Nadeem's achievements have inspired many young athletes in Pakistan. He has raised the profile of athletics in the country. His success has earned him widespread recognition. Arshad Nadeem continues to be a prominent figure in javelin throw.